am Mercy Kindness from Eliaf Rajamandri, and I am going to say Psalm 119, 176 verses. Blessed are the undefiled in the way who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are they that keep his testimonies and that seek him with the whole heart. They also do no iniquity, they walk in his ways. Thou hast commanded us to keep thy precepts diligently. O that my ways were directed to keep thy statutes. Then shall I not be ashamed when I have respect unto all thy commandments. I will praise thee with uprightness of heart, when I shall have learnt of thy righteous judgments. I will keep thy statutes, so forsake me not utterly. Wherewithal shall a young man cleanse his way? By taking heed thereto according to thy word. With my whole heart have I sought thee, O let me not wander from thy commandments. Thy word have I hidden mine heart, that I might not sin against thee. Blessed art thou, O Lord, teach me thy statutes. With my lips have I declared all the judgments of thy mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of thy testimonies as much as in all riches. I will meditate in thy precepts and have respect unto thy ways. I will delight myself in thy statutes. I will not forget thy word. Deal bountifully with thy servant, that I may live and keep thy word. Open thou mine eyes, that I may behold wondrous things out of thy law. I am a stranger in the earth, hide not thy commandments from me. My soul breaketh for the longing that it hath unto the judgments at all times. Thou hast rebuked the proud that are cursed, which do err from thy commandments. And remove from me reproach and contempt, for I have kept thy testimonies. Princes also did sit and speak against thee, but thy servant did meditate in thy statutes. Thy testimonies are also my delight and counselors. My soul cleaveth unto the dust, quicken thou me according to thy word. I have declared my ways, and thou heardest me. Teach me thy statutes. Make me to go in the path of thy commandments. So shall I speak the wondrous. So shall I speak the wondrous works of thy law. Remove from me my soul melteth for heaviness. Strengthen thou me according to thy word. Remove from me the way of flying, and grant me thy law graciously. I have chosen the way of truth. Thy judgments have I laid before me. I have stuck unto thy testimonies, O Lord. Put me not to shame. I will run the way of thy commandments when thou shalt enlarge my heart. Teach me, O Lord, the way of thy statutes. So shall I keep them forever. Give me understanding, and I shall keep thy law. I shall observe it with my whole heart. Make me to go in the path of thy commandments, for therein do I delight. Incline mine heart unto thy testimonies, and not to covetousness. Turn away mine eyes from beholding vanity, and quicken thou me in thy way. Establish thy word unto the servant who is devoted to thy fear. Turn away my reproach which I fear, for thy judgments are good. Behold, I have longed after thy precepts. Quicken me in thy righteousness. Let thy mercies come also unto me, O Lord, even thy salvation according to thy word. So shall I have wherewith to answer him that reproacheth me. For I trust in thy word, and take not the word of truth utterly out of my mouth, for I have hoped in thy judgments. So shall I keep thy law continually forever and ever. I will walk at liberty, for I seek thy precepts. I will speak of the commandments also before kings, and will not be ashamed. I will delight myself in the statutes which I have, commandments which I have loved. My hands also will I lift up unto the commandments which I have loved, and I will meditate in thy precepts. Remember thy word unto thy servant, upon which thou hast caused me to hope. This is my comfort in mine affliction, for thy word hath quickened me. The proud have had me greatly in derision, and do I not decline from thy law? I have remembered thy name, O Lord, in the night, and have kept thy precepts. Horror hath taken hold upon me because of the wicked that forsake thy law. Thy statutes have been my songs in the house of my pilgrimage. I have remembered thy name, O Lord, in the night, and kept thy precepts, and kept thy law. This I had because I kept thy precepts. Thou art my portion, O Lord. I have said that I would keep thy words. I entreated thy favor with my whole heart. Be merciful unto me according to thy word. I made haste and delayed not to. I thought on my ways, and kept thy commandments. I thought on my ways, and turned my feet unto thy commandments. I made haste and delayed not to keep thy commandments. I made haste and delayed not to keep thy commandments. At midnight I will rise to the bands of the wicked have robbed me, yet have I not declined from thy law. At midnight I will rise to give thanks unto thee because of thy righteous judgments. I am a companion of all them that fear thee, and of them that keep thy precepts. The earth, O Lord, is full of thy mercies. Teach me thy statutes. Thou hast dealt well with the servant, O Lord, according to thy word, Teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I have believed thy commandments. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now have I kept thy word. Thou art good and doest good, teach me thy statutes. The bands of the wicked the proud have forged a lie against me, but I will keep thy precepts with my whole heart. Their heart is as fat as geese, but I delight in thy law. It is good for me that I have been afflicted, that I might learn the statutes. The law of thy mouth is better unto me than thousands of gold and silver. Thy hands have made me and fashioned me, give me understanding that I may keep the law. They that fear thee will be glad when they see me, because I have hoped in thy word. I know, O Lord, that the judgments are right, and that thou in faithfulness hast afflicted me. Let I pray thee thy merciful kindness be for my comfort, according to thy word unto thy servant. Let thy tender mercies be for my comfort. That I may live, for thy law is my delight. Let the proud be ashamed, for they deal perversely with me without a cause, but I will meditate in thy precepts. Let those that fear thee turn unto me, and those that have known thy testimonies. Let my heart be sound in the statutes, that I be not ashamed. My soul fainted for the salvation, but I hope in thy word. Mine eyes fail for thy word, saying, when wilt thou comfort me? For I am become like a bottle in a smoke. Do I not forget thy statutes? How many are the days of thy servant? When wilt thou execute judgment on them that persecute me? The proud have digged pits for me, which are not after thy law. All the commandments are faithful, they persecute me wrongfully. Help thou me. They had almost consumed me upon earth, but I forsook not thy precepts. Quicken me, O Lord, after thy loving kindness. So shall I keep the testimony of thy mouth forever. O Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. Thy faithfulness is unto all generations. Thou hast established the earth, and it abideth. They continue this day according to thine ordinances, for all are their servants. Unless thy law had been my delight, I should then have perished in mine affliction. I will never forget thy precepts, for with them thou hast quickened me. I am thine, save me, for I have sought thy precepts. The bands of the wicked have waited me. The wicked have waited for me to destroy me, but I will consider thy testimonies. I have seen an end of all perfection, but the commandment is exceeding broad. Oh, how I love the law, it is my meditation all day. Thou through the commandments had made me wiser than mine enemies, for they are ever with me. I have more understanding than all my teachers, for the testimonies are my meditation. I understand more than the ancients, for I keep thy precepts. I have refrained my feet from every evil way, that I might keep thy word. I am not departed from thy word. Judgment, for thou hast taught me. How sweet are the words unto my mouth. Taste is sweeter than honey unto my mouth. Through thy precepts I get understanding, therefore I hate every false way. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. I have sworn, and I will perform it, that I will keep thy righteous judgments. I am afflicted very much. Quicken me, O Lord, according to thy word. Accept, I beseech thee, the freewill offerings of thy mouth, O Lord, and teach me thy judgments. My soul is continually in my hand forever, yet do I not forget thy law. The wicked have waited for me. The wicked have laid a snare for me, yet I had not from thy precepts. The wicked have waited for me, yet I had not from thy precepts. Thy testimonies have I taken as an heritage, for they are the rejoicing of mine heart. I have inclined unto thy statutes. I have inclined my heart to perform thy statutes always, even unto the end. I hate vain thoughts, but the Lord do I love. Thou art my hiding place and my shield. I hope in thy word. Depart from me, evil doers, for I will keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to thy word, that I may live, and let me not be ashamed of my hope. Hold thou me up, and I shall be safe, and I shall keep the testimonies, and I shall have respect unto thy statutes. Thou hast trodden down all them that err from the statutes, for the deceit is falsehood. Thou hast taken away, thou puttest away the wicked of the earth like dross. Therefore, I love thy testimonies. Uh, my flesh trembleth for fear of thee, and I am afraid of thy judgments. I have done judgment and justice. Leave me not to mine oppressors. Uh, Leave me not to mine oppressors. Be surety for thy servant for good, and let not the proud oppress me. My soul fainteth for thy salvation and for the word of thy righteousness. Mine eyes fail for thy salvation and for the mine eyes fail for the salvation and for the word of thy righteousness. Um, deal deal well with the servant according to thy mercy, and let deal well with the servant according to thy mercy, and teach me thy statutes. Um, I am thy servant. Give me understanding, and I shall, and so shall I, and help me to know the testimonies, that I may know the testimonies. Um, it is time for the law to work, for they have made void thy law. I love the commandments. Therefore, I love the commandments above gold, yea, above fine gold. Therefore, I esteem all the precepts. I esteem the precepts concerning all things to be right, and I hate every false way. Um, I, Thy testimonies are wonderful, therefore doth my soul keep them. The entrance of the word giveth light, it giveth understanding unto the simple. Uh, Giveth understanding unto the simple. I opened my mouth and panted, for I longed for thy commandments. Thou look thou upon me and be merciful unto me, as thou usest to do unto those that love thy name. Um, Thou upon me and be merciful unto me, as thou usest to do unto those that love thy name. Order my steps in thy word, and let not any iniquity have dominion over me. Deliver me from the oppression of man. So shall I keep thy precepts. So will I keep thy precepts. Make thy face to shine upon the servant, and teach me thy statutes. Rivers of waters run down mine eyes, because they keep not thy law. Um, thou righteous art thou, O Lord, and upright are the judgments. Uh, the testimonies of the testimonies which thou hast commanded are righteous and very faithful. My zeal hath consumed me, because mine enemies have forgotten thy word. Um, Thy word is very pure, therefore thy servant loveth it. I am small and despised, yet do I not forget thy statute, yet do I not forget thy precepts. Um, Thy righteousness is an everlasting righteousness, and thy law is the truth. Trouble and anguish hath taken hold upon me, because I have trouble and anguish hath taken hold upon me. At thy commandments are my delights. The righteousness of the testimonies is everlasting, and the law, they give me understanding, and I shall live. Give me understanding, and I shall live. I cried unto thee, I cried with my whole heart. Hear me, O Lord, I will keep thy statutes. I cried unto thee, save me, and I shall keep thy testimonies. I prevented the dawning of the morning, and cried, I hoped in thy word. Mine eyes prevented the night watches, that I might meditate in thy word. That I might meditate in thy word. Hear my voice according to thy loving kindness, O Lord, and teach me thy, and give me thy, and quicken me according to thy word, and quicken me according to thy judgments. Um, and quicken me according to thy judgments. Uh, they draw nigh unto they draw nigh unto them that follow after mischief. They are far from thy law. Thou art near, O Lord, and all the commandments are truth. Um, cons- um, Concerning all thy testimonies, I have known of old that thou hast founded them forever. Um, consider my consider mine affliction, and deliver me. Uh, for I have not forgotten thy law. Uh, plead my cause and deliver me. Plead my cause and deliver me, and quicken me according to thy word. The salvation is afraid. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they keep not thy statutes. Um, Great are the tender mercies, O Lord. Great are the tender mercies, O Lord. Quicken me according to thy judgment. Many are mine persecutors and mine enemies. Many are my persecutors and my enemies, yet do I not decline from thy testimonies. I beheld the transgressors and was grieved because they keep not thy law. Consider how I love thy law, and quicken me according to thy loving kindness. Uh, thy word, thy word, thy word is true from the beginning, and all thy righteous and all of them of the righteous judgments endureth forever. Uh, endureth forever. Princes have persecuted me without a cause, but they servant it. But my heart standeth in awe of thy word. Um, uh, I I rejoice in thy word as one that findeth great spoil. I hate and abhor lying, but thy law do I love. I hate and abhor lying, but the Lord do I love. 7 times a day do I praise thee because of thy righteous judgments. Uh, great are great great peace great peace has have they which love thy law, and great peace have they which love thy law, uh, and nothing shall offend thee. um, I have hoped in thy salvation and have done thy commandments. um, my soul keeps thy testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. I keep thy testimonies and precepts and thy testimonies. uh, for my ways are before thee. uh, for my ways are before thee. Let my cry come near before thee, O Lord, according to thy word, and give me understanding according to thy word. Let my supplication come before thee, give me understanding. Let my supplication come before thee, deliver me according to thy word. uh, my lips shall utter praise when thou hast taught me thy statutes. My lips shall praise unto thee, utter praise unto thee when thou hast taught me thy statutes. My tongue shall speak of thy word when thou for thy commandments are righteousness. um, Let thine hand save me, for I have chosen thy precepts. I have longed for thy salvation. I have longed for thy salvation, O Lord. I have uh, I have kept, for thy law is my delight. Um let my soul praise thee. Let my soul praise thee. Let my soul live and it shall praise thee. Let my soul live and it shall praise thee. For thy judgments are right. For thy judgments are right. Help me. Judgments help me. For thy judgments help me. Um, for the judgments help me. I've gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek thy. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek the servant that I might keep the commandments. Seek the servant that I do not forget the commandments. Thank you.